Ano ba yung kanilang mga problema? Ano yung another idea na pwede kang makabenta? Who are the people who would buy medicine from you? What I know are the seniors. The seniors like us. Tulad ko, every month wala akong kawala. Ang gamot ko ay 12,000. Ang aking pensyon ay 12,000. So, 12,000 minus 12,000 equals 0. So, yon. Pero wala akong choice dahil maintenance medicine ko yon. Till the day I die, I have to take those medicines. So, what could be a way na pwede kayong makalapit dito sa mga tulad namin na senior citizen na walang choice kundi bumili ng gamot? Ano yung pwede ninyong i-offer? Ano yung pwede ninyong in-offer sa amin other than price? Anong pangangailangan ng mga senior citizens? Kausapin ninyo. Hindi ko alam ang sagot dyan, but the way, it's not just to Mitch, but to everyone. The way to be able to sell more is to talk to your customers, find out ano ba yung kanilang mga problema sa existing na suppliers ng gamot nila. Tulad ko, I would go to one drugstore, Maisuki drugstore, and every time I go there, pag nagdala ko ng reseta, merong mga ilang bagay na ilang gamot na wala silang stock. Nakakainis kasi ibig sabihin, nagpunta na ako doon, gumastos na ako, tapos kailangan ko pang pumunta sa another one para mapuno lang yung aking listahan sa aking reseta. So, ano kaya ang pwede mong i-offer sa akin para hindi na mangyari yon? Because if you can offer that for me, I will no longer go to that drugstore and I will continue to buy from you na. So, if you can give it to me at the same price or lower price for the convenience, di ba? So, yon. Ano yung convenience na pwede nyong ibigay sa mga senior citizens? Next, nasaan ang mga senior citizens? Saan ninyo sila mahahanap para mas madali ninyo silang makausap? No? Now, wala namang parmasya na nagpo-focus sa mga senior citizens. Maybe you can be the first one doon sa area ninyo. Yun lang, no? Again, start with the customers. Try to find out what are their needs, what are their problems, what are their pain points na hindi na-solve ng mga existing competitors nila. And once you can come up with a solution for that, then magiging faithful kami sa inyo, kaming mga customers. Grow Your Business Pinoy? Have you been running your business for years but feel like you're going around in circles? Anak, parang stuck ka, scattered, and you're not quite sure where the next right step is and what it is. So Grow Your Business Pinoy is a book that gives you a clear step-by-step growth roadmap. It's practical, proven, and built for the realities of running a business in the Philippines. Wala nang guessing, wala nang doing everything and going nowhere. Just a clear path forward. Finally, get your copy now, anak. The link is in the comment section.